Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make spicy and tasty chicken bhuna masala. To make this, I have taken 1 kg of chicken, washed it nicely, and to this I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala. Also I am adding 1 cup of curd and mixing everything nicely so that the masalas are nicely coated with the chicken. Marinate this chicken for minimum 30 minutes so that the chicken gets soft. Then in a pan add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. To this add cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves and 2 cardamom and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then add 2 chopped onions and saute it until the onions turn golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it again and fry it nicely until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes. And then once the onions are done, add the tomato puree. I have taken 2 tomatoes here. Saute it nicely until the oil oozes out and the tomatoes are cooked. And then add all the dry masalas. Fry the masalas nicely. Frying and cooking the masala is really important in this gravy, so keep frying until you see the oil oozing out from the masala. Once the oil separates from the masala, fry for 1 to 2 minutes and then add the marinated chicken. Mix everything nicely until the masalas are nicely coated with the chicken. Then close the lid and cook the chicken very well until it is nice and juicy. Add the salt as per your taste and I am adding hot water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Mix everything nicely and allow the chicken to cook again. This will take around 20 to 30 minutes for the chicken to cook nicely and it's juicy and soft. Once you feel the chicken is soft and tender, you can garnish the gravy with the coriander leaves. And here is chicken bhuna masala ready to serve. Enjoy it with rice and roti of your choice. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.